Workforce is near and dear to my heart. I've spent the last decade focused on how do we really address this problem, the talent gap. I mean, not only is it this fight for talent, but you look at, especially in the aerospace and defense space, you've got, I don't know what percentages, 80% of the engineers are going to retire within the next, call it 5 years or so. And so I think it behooves us to, as industry, to look internally and say, how do we create the environments that attract the best level of talent? And how do we create, people say, well, no one wants to come to the old stodgy aerospace. But guess what? When, Elon Musk has no problem attracting talent because they create really interesting problems, give challenges to the next generation of technical leaders, allow them to take ownership, allow them to fail. And I think that if you provide that type of business model, people will follow. And I think if you have the right company and you have the right sort of environment and culture where you give the people the opportunity to do really cool stuff, get out of their way, fail fast, have some ownership, I think it's less of a problem. But it's a mindset that we have to have that provides that opportunity for the new young talent to come in and be part of that.